Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with Remax Executives, and welcome to the North End. We are here at 417 Aikins Avenue, and I am aching to tell you about this property. We're north of Mountain, we're in a good location. This is a great first-time home buyer property. It's fully updated. We've got 3 bedrooms, beautiful finishes inside. We've got a nice sized backyard. So many great features going on here. We've got an updated roof, we've got updated windows, updated flooring, updated paint inside and out, updated bathroom, updated kitchen, high efficiency furnace, HRV system. We've got an updated hot water tank. Really, the list just keeps going. Let's go take a look. Well, here we are in the backyard, and we've got a shared driveway. We've got parking for at least 2 cars. You got a great space back here. You've got an oversized shed that could use little TLC, but it's a pretty great shed. You've got a deck here. So much great potential to this backyard, but the property, I mean, it's absolutely turnkey. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour of 417 Aikins Street. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, why don't you give me a call, text, or email, or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. Do you think people will notice that I'm not wearing glasses anymore? Like now I have to trim up my one eyebrow into 2 on a regular basis? Don't put that one in.